If you're looking for your dream home, you'll find it right here. In the beautiful foothill community of San Antonio Heights in Upland. This is one of the most desirable places to live, with its long-established neighborhoods, gorgeous homes on generous lots, and an excellent school district. Welcome to 615 Lamplighter Lane, a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bath family home offering 2,426 square feet of interior living space, situated on more than 1/2 acre of land. The private courtyard welcomes you in with lush greenery and a soothing water feature, setting the tone for the warm and welcoming space inside. As you enter the home, the open foyer leads you anywhere you'd like to go, but we'll start in the kitchen, the heart of this home, with its natural light, clean design, and generous gathering spaces. You'll love the timeless white cabinetry, modern stainless steel appliances, miles of counter space, and efficient gas stovetop. Next, we'll take a peek at the 3rd and 4th bedrooms and shared bath. Moving into the family room, you'll find lots of natural light and space without sacrificing coziness, thanks to this beautiful rock fireplace. Here, you'll find the first of 2 master suites. This one has its own private patio and fully updated master bath. The second master suite can also be used as a small family room, doubling as extra space for guests with its large, updated bathroom. Not only is the inside spacious, but the outside is as well. The enclosed backyard offers multiple seating areas, perfect for entertaining larger groups or just enjoying the beautiful surroundings, which actually feel more like a retreat than a backyard. As we follow the stone steps to the luxurious pool area. "615 Lamplighter Lane